everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how we can sort the Power BI stack bar chart. And these are the two headings that we are going to cover in this video. First, we will learn what is sort order, and then we will see how we can sort the Power BI stack bar chart in the ascending and the descending order. Let's begin. So, what is Power BI stack bar chart sort order? And there are two options that are available. One is ascending order, which is A to Z format, and the another sort order is the descending form, which is Z to A order. So based on the field, we can sort the stack bar chart visual in the Power BI report. So based on the requirement, we can sort it in the ascending order or else in the descending order. Now I will show you how to sort it in the ascending order as well as in the descending order in the Power BI stack bar chart visual. So initially log into the Power BI desktop and load the data source using the get data option. Here I have already loaded the financials data source, which you can view it in the data view, and get back to the report view to add the visualizations. So here under the visualization, select the stack bar chart and drag and drop the fields here. In this x-axis, I am going to drag and drop the sales field, and in the y-axis, I am going to drag and drop the product fields so that the visual will display the sales value by product. Here you can see it displays the product PSU and its sales value. Now to sort it in the ascending order, here you can see in the visual there is an ellipsis icon for more options. Select that ellipsis icon. Here you can see the sort axis option is presented. By default, it is in the descending order, which is Z to A format for the sales value. Now to change it in the A to Z order, simply select a sort ascending option so that the Power BI stack bar chart visual displays the value for the A to Z, which is in the ascending form. In the same way, if you want to show it in the descending order, simply select sort descending option so that it displays the value from Z to A. Now, if you want to change the field, by default it is in the sales field, which is x-axis. If you want to change the field for the y-axis, which is product, then in that case choose the product field here first and then select the more options. Here you can see by default it is in the descending order in the Z to A format. When you click ascending order, the visual change to the ascending order. Here you can see it start from the product Amelia to the product VTT, which is in the A to Z format. So this is how we can sort the axis, and we can choose the field, and we can sort it either in the ascending order or in the descending order in a Power BI report. I hope you understood how to sort values order as well as in the descending order based on the fields in the Power BI stack bar chart visual in a Power BI report. Thanks for watching this video, and these are the free video tutorials that are presented in our YouTube channel. Please check out those tutorials as well, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.